Hello and thank you for watching 2carpros.com. In this video we are going to show you how to do an air filter replacement on a 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra. Remove the 4 torque screws holding the air filter lid to the airbox assembly. After removing the 4 torque screws, lift up the air filter lid and remove the old air filter. In this shot, you can see that the air filter is dirty, robbing horsepower and hurting gas mileage. We like to compare our new air filter to our old air filter to be sure a proper install. Install the new air filter to the airbox assembly. After installing your new air filter, replace the 4 torque screws and tighten them. Please click our subscribe button and like us on Facebook. Thank you for watching 2carpros.com.